Get key features and / or buyer reviews before select Winado Compact Laundry Dryer 9 pounds capacity. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Winado Compact Laundry Dryer 9 pounds capacity. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Kinds of drying mode. Our electric dryer has 4 drying modes. 1. Strong, suitable for bigger clothes. 2. Intelligent, suitable for most clothes. 3. Eco, any laundry deodorization suitable for drying small clothes. 4. Normal, more suitable for needing to iron or dry small clothes. Operation LCD screen and easy-to-use panel, equipped with superior drying performance. Cotton filter can effectively filter lint and prevent it from flying out. Power off. If you open the door of the running dryer, it will automatically power off to protect your children from accidentally opening the door. And also facilitate you to put clothes in halfway. Saving without noise. This electric dryer has 1400 watt power and 11 pounds large capacity with low noise, allowing you to run the dryer without excessive noise while carrying out your daily work. And portable. The dryer is easy to carry, lightweight and compact size. It can be installed on countertops, solid, flat floors, suitable for your apartment, dormitory and small corners of the house and more. The household dryer is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and has a long service life. The integrated visual window allows you to monitor the clothes as they dry. The compact and stable design can save more space, and the wall-mounted installation can be placed on a solid horizontal floor or rack, which is very suitable for apartments, dormitories, stalls or RVs. It can be easily cleaned and maintained with a soft damp cloth. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.